show that 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus and so on is equals to n by 24 into 2n square plus 9n plus 13. So here general term or nth term is not given. So first let us find the nth term of this given question. So separately I will go with numerator as well as denominator. First let us check the numerators. Here 1 cube plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on it goes. Then what about the last term? Last term will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus and so on plus n cube. So this n cube formula we want. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube and so on till n cube. Sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers. So what is the formula for that? N square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. That will be our nth term of the numerator. Sum of the cubes of the first n terms, that is n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. Now let us move to the denominators. Here if you observe the denominators clearly, first one is 1, then second one will become 1 plus 3, then next one will become 1 plus 3 plus 5, then next will become 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, then like that only it continues. So we need to get 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus and so on 2n minus 1. So 2n minus 1, it is the formula for sum of the odd numbers of first n natural numbers. Sum of the first n odd naturals is n square. So the denominator will become n square. Just we are finding the nth term only because that is not given in the question. Whole divided by denominator is n square. So this will come down again as usual. So now the nth term will become n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 into n square. It is 4n square. So now for this given nth term, we need to find out the sum. So if we find out that, so first let us do simplification. Here n square will get cancelled. Then finally we remains with n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. So now this also I will simplify. N plus 1 whole square can be written as n square plus 1 plus n divided by 4. This is the general term or nth term. Now for this apply the sum. Summation or sigma n equals to 1 to n square plus 1 plus 2n whole divided by 4. Now here in the denominator we have 4, that I will take it outside. So we get 1 by 4 sigma n equals to 1 to n square plus 2n plus 1. Just I am writing it in order. Now 1 by 4 is for the total number. That's I will write it here also. Now I will separate 1 by 1. Sigma n equals to 1 to n square plus sigma n equals to 1 to n 2n plus sigma n equals to 1 to n 1. Now here outside we have 1 by 4, that 1 by 4 as it is, into sigma n equals to 1 to n square plus here second term we have sigma n equals to 1 to n 2n. So that number 2 will come outside because we don't have any work with that number 2. That will come and we will take it out. So 2 will come outside. 2 into sigma n equals to 1 to n now. Only n will remain because 2 we took outside. N plus sigma n equals to 1 to n 1. Okay, now for this let us substitute the formulas. 1 by 4 as it is into sigma n equals to 1 n square. What is n square formula? Sum of the squares of the first n numbers, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6 plus 2 into sigma n equals to 1 to n first n natural number sum, that is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, plus sigma n equals to 1 to n 1, nothing but n, because it is extended till n, so as it is n. Close the bracket. Now if you observe here, 2 we can cancel, so then I continue this 1 by 4 into n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6 plus n into n plus 1 plus n. I'll open the brackets completely. 1 by 4 into n into n square plus n ones are n into 2n plus 1 plus 6 into this total. 6 into n plus 1 plus 6 into n, 6n whole divided by 6. Now let us still simplify this. 1 by 4 into n square into 2n cube plus n square into 1 n square plus n into 2n square plus n into 1 n plus 6n into n 6n square plus 6 into 1 6 plus 6n as it is whole divided by 6. One by 4 as it is into, here cubed number only 1 is there, so 2n cube as it is, plus add all the square numbers, n square plus 2n square 3n square, 3n square plus 6n square 9n square, plus add all the n's, n, oh sorry, 6n into 1 is 6n, right? Okay, n plus 6n 7n, 7n plus 6n 13n whole divided by 6. So now in this n is there, in this also n is there, in this also n is there, so I will take out n common. Then if I take out n common, we remains with 2n square plus 9n plus 13 whole divided by, here denominator 4 6 are 24, hence proved. This is only what exactly he is asking to prove, so we got it.